Certified Agile Service Manager, Course Introduction. Welcome to your Certified Agile Service Manager training. In this course, you'll learn how to apply Agile principles to IT service management processes, leading to a more responsive IT service management capability. You'll gain an understanding of Scrum, and then look at how Scrum can be used as part of Agile service management. Organizations that embed Agile principles from development through to operations can learn to apply just enough process to deliver a responsive IT capability and great business outcomes. In this introductory lesson, we're going to talk about the course structure and contents to help you get the best out of your study time, and then we're going to introduce a few key terms. By the time you complete this course, you'll have an introductory knowledge of Agile and Scrum from both the product and process perspective, and you'll understand how to apply Agile practices to IT service management process design and improvement. This course and the associated certification exam are accredited by the DevOps Institute, or DOI. The DevOps Institute is bringing enterprise-level DevOps training and certification to the IT market. Working with thought leaders from the DevOps community, the IT service management field, and the IT training market, the DevOps Institute is setting the standard in quality for enterprise-grade DevOps education and training. DOI's mission is to provide high-quality, relevant DevOps education to support the ongoing adoption and development of DevOps practices. Other courses available from DOI include the DevOps Foundation course, which provides delegates with a clear understanding of DevOps goals, business value, terminology, concepts, and practices. There are no mandatory prerequisites for the CASM course that you're taking now, but having taken either the ITIL or DevOps Foundation courses will be a benefit. The Certified Agile Process Owner course is also available via DOI. This course describes process owner responsibilities and provides the education needed to oversee the design, re-engineering, and improvement of IT service management processes, particularly in the context of Agile service management. The Principles of Continuous Delivery course goes into more detail about continuous delivery in a DevOps environment. This course is split into 13 lessons in addition to this course introduction. We've deliberately kept the lessons short so you can study in the most efficient way and easily return to areas of interest. The lessons allow you to divide your study into manageable sessions. Remember, the ability to take regular breaks is one of the advantages of learning online. Click on each lesson number to see the lesson title. In addition to the videos, the course includes quizzes and exercises to confirm and develop your knowledge. The exercises and, where appropriate, suggested answers are available to download from the course documents area. Please understand that the exercises are intended to get you thinking. Some of them ask you to relate some aspect of the course to your own experience. For these exercises, we'll provide a suggested answer, but your own experiences may be quite different. You may find it useful to print a copy of the course documents to refer to as you study. To maximize your chances of success in the exam, you'll need to plan to spend at least 16 hours studying all of your course material. Effective study time should be spent using the course materials provided, including watching all the video tutorials at least twice, completing all the exercises and online quizzes, reading the course documents and guides, completing your own study notes, and taking the sample exam that is also provided. We'll provide some further information about the exam in the final lesson of the course. We've used some annotations throughout this course to help you navigate the material. Where you see these symbols, you can see what the focus of a particular section is. The symbols show whether the course section is focused on Agile Service Management or Scrum, or sometimes both. You will also notice as you move through the course some text that looks like this. Here we're asking you to think about something specific in your own organization. It might not be an essential point for your exam, but it will help you think about what Agile Service Management will mean for you and your organization. Before you start the individual lessons in the course, you should also make sure you're familiar with the functionality of your online learning portal. Have a good look around your screen. Make sure you're comfortable with pausing, stopping, and restarting video tutorials. Also check how to contact your course tutor and where to access all of the course documentation. The lessons in the course are locked to make sure you complete them in the correct order. Once you complete a lesson and unlock it, you can review it at any time and in any order. Remember, if you have any questions during the course, you can contact your tutor at any time. We're here to help and to support you with your studies when you need us. Before you start the course material, there are some actions you need to complete to get the most out of your course material. Go to your course documents area and download the Agile Service Management Guide, which includes the glossary of terms, the Scrum Guide. Make sure you read these before you move on. Think about what they mean for your own organization and what you want to achieve from your studies. Your course documents area contains other useful information such as a copy of the course exercises and their solutions, as well as your study guides. We're going to finish this lesson by defining a few key terms, and then giving you your first exercise. Click on each term to learn more about it. Service management is a customer-focused approach to delivering information technology. Service management focuses on providing value to the customer and also on the customer relationship. Service management sees how IT provides value to the business and thinks in terms of services and outcomes, not technology. IT service management, or ITSM, is the process of aligning enterprise IT services with the business they support, with a primary focus on the delivery of high-quality services to the end user. It includes the organizational capabilities that support the delivery of services, including people, processes, and technology. Agile is a project management method for complex projects that divides tasks into small sprints of work, with frequent reassessment and adaptation of plans. It is derived from the Agile Manifesto. Agile promotes small, frequent releases of completed work instead of a linear waterfall approach. Agile has its roots in software development, but Agile practices are now spreading through the whole IT service lifecycle. Okay, let's complete this introduction to your course with an exercise. You should plan to spend 30 to 45 minutes on this exercise, which will help you put the rest of the course material into context. ABC organization has a traditional IT change management process. Change requests are submitted on a form, and a change advisory board meets every fortnight to discuss changes and prioritize their implementation. ABC organization's development team has adopted an agile way of working and wants to move to more frequent software releases on a daily or even hourly basis. Think about some of the ways the organization will be affected. For example, what might happen to the relationships between the staff in development and their change management colleagues? Then, suggest some improvements that might be made to the change management process to support agile development. As you study, you'll see if your ideas have any overlap with Agile Service Management. When you're ready to move on, click the Next button. Okay, that's the end of your course introduction. Move on to Lesson 1 when you're ready by clicking the Next Lesson arrow.